Stunning sunset views, social gatherings, lakeside living. This is community at its best. This beautifully tailored home features over 93,000 in upgrades and options. Welcome to my newest Barney Farms listing. A few of my favorite features in this beautiful home are the upgraded cafe appliances, the designer touches in the baths, and wait until you see the storage racks for your lake toys in the garage. So reach out to me if you'd like additional information about this beautiful property, or if you'd like additional information in regards to Queen Creek or Barney Farms.